Chapter 6. Let's talk about planes. Look up at the sky. What do you see? A big, bright plane zooming through the clouds. Planes are amazing machines that help us travel far and wide. Above the trees and over the mountains. Let's learn some new words about planes. First, let's talk about what a plane is. A plane is a flying vehicle that has wings and a tail. It takes off from the airport and flies high in the sky. When you see a plane, you might wonder where it's going or who is on it. Planes can be big or small. Some planes carry lots of people, while others carry just a few. Now, let's meet the pilot. The pilot is the person who flies the plane. They sit in the cockpit, which is the front part of the plane where all the controls are. The pilot is very important because they make sure everyone is safe and gets to their destination. Have you ever thought about being a pilot? It would be so exciting to fly high above the clouds. When the plane is ready to go, it takes off. This means it lifts into the air and starts to fly. You might hear a loud noise as the engines roar. Vroom! Up, up, and away. The plane rises higher and higher until it's just a little dot in the sky. Isn't that amazing? Now let's talk about what happens when the plane is in the sky. When you look out of the window, you can see fluffy white clouds below. Some planes fly above. The clouds, where it's sunny and bright. Can you imagine how wonderful it is to float on a cloud? Sometimes, you can even see the sunset. Or the sunrise. From up there, painting the sky in beautiful colors like orange, pink, and purple. As the plane flies, it goes fast. The wind rushes past, and you might feel a little shaky as it moves through the air. But don't worry. Pilots are trained to handle all kinds of weather. They know how to fly through rain, snow, or even storms. The plane is built to keep everyone safe inside. When the plane gets close to its destination, it lands. This is when the plane comes down from the sky and touches the ground at the airport. Swoosh! You can feel the wheels hit the runway, and the pilot slows the plane down. Once it's safe, everyone cheers. Hooray! We are here. Now, let's learn some more fun words about planes. Fly. This is what planes do. They fly high in the sky. The plane can fly. Take off. This is when the plane leaves the ground. The plane will take off soon. Land. This is when the plane comes back to the ground. The plane will land shortly. Sky. The big blue space above us where clouds and planes are. Look at the sky. Airport. This is where planes take off and land. We go to the airport to see planes. Cockpit. The part of the plane where the pilot sits and flies. The pilot is in the cockpit. Big. Some planes are very big, like giant birds. The big plane is flying over us. Small. Other planes are small, like a little toy. The small plane is zooming through the sky.